Hello, in this video we will show you how to boot up and power on your CropScan 3300H display, run through the daily and diagnostic checks. Firstly, key on your combine switch so the CropScan spectrometer controller is powered on. Note there is also a rocker switch located in the radio panel. You are best to leave this rocker switch on at all times and use the ignition key to power up and power down your CropScan. Use the rocker switch for a reset switch if needed. Press and hold the CropScan display power button on to boot up the screen. Note the power on button is located at the top right or front of the screen depending on the display model. Wait for the display to boot up and load into the CropScan analysis software. Once the CropScan analysis software is loaded, wait for the display to connect to the spectrometer controller, indicated by the blue process bar. Note to clean the sample head lenses daily and wait for the spectrometer temperature to reach above 25 degrees Celsius or 77 degrees Fahrenheit. After the connection process and daily checks are completed, the CropScan will display any diagnostic errors. On boot up, the CropScan will check and cycle the key components. A diagnostic pass will be indicated by a green tick and a component failure by a red cross. Thank you for joining us, and find more CropScan tutorial videos at our website www.cropscanag.com.